How can I monetize my existing Instagram account? That's one of the question, or one of the repeated question that I was asked privately from the video that I did yesterday. So I said, you know what, let me dig deeper into this. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, please subscribe. If you did subscribe, thank you for subscribing. Please go ahead and turn on click the bell so you turn on the notification so you are alerted whenever I post a new video. So let's get into this question here. And guys, if you have any other questions, please, you could send it privately, like a few of the people or my subscribers did, or you could post it in the video, in this video below, or whatever you choose, guys. I'm here to help. And thank you guys for sending me all those messages. And as I said, I'm going to discuss how to monetize your existing Instagram account. Because that question, I got that question from more than 5 people. I want to say, or 6 people. So that one stood out. Okay. Now, with monetizing on Instagram, you gotta have a niche. You gotta be niched out. You know what I mean? You gotta choose a niche. And what is the meaning of a niche? Well, basically, your niche is whatever you choose to make your Instagram account about, but it got to be something specific. So, say for example, you're doing animals. Animals, that's a niche. But a sub niche for animal would be dog, which is it is broken down smaller, right, to a more in-depth understanding of what your account is going to be about. Now, if you have an existing account and it's all you on there, basically that would be something like personal branding. Now, I'm not saying that you can't do personal branding or you can't make money off personal branding, but you got to be putting like nuggets out there if you're doing personal branding, basically. So I would say, can you make money using your existing account that you have now? I would say don't try. I would say just open a new account, a fresh account, and so Instagram will know what's going on. You have it niche tight, so Instagram have a better understanding of where to put your content, like where to have it appear. Now, also, why I wouldn't recommend you using your existing account that you have is because posting on Instagram needs to have some form of consistency. Basically, you want to tell Instagram that I am here every day and I'm on here all day, kind of a situation. So unless you're posting on your existing account like every day, then it's a no-go. It's just easier and better to start an entire account. I was, what else? Oh yeah, with the posting, right? On your personal account, it's like all over the place, right? So you're kind of like confused. You're having Instagram being confused, like what's going on here? What is this person really doing? Because first you might post food, you might post a funny video, you might post when you went to New York, the Big Apple. So it's all kind of, it has traveling, it has food, it has comic stuff. Like, it's all, see what I'm getting at? It's all over the place. But just as how you created your original or your existing account that you have, you can do the same thing and create a new account. You know what I mean? You just have to use a different email address. That's just about it. But yeah, I would not use my existing account. I have like 3 or 4 accounts on my for Instagram right now. But yeah, I wouldn't use it. And also, guys, remember, it has to have some form of consistency, right? And remember, you want to do something, you want to make it a niche into something that you actually enjoy or like. So, say for example, you're going to do about your dog, Bob. You really like your dog, Bob. So, so doing a video or taking some pics and stuff about Bob is not going to be a bother, because there's going to come a time when you just can't be bothered to post. So as long as you enjoy like what you're doing, like, it won't be so much of a bother kind of a situation. So that's what I'm addressing today, guys. Send out the messages, send them out, and or the comments. Let me know what you want me to talk about. Instagram, please feel free to ask me. I have you covered. Anything with Instagram, I have you covered. And this is a short video today. I just wanted to address that because a lot of people ask, as I said before, it was like 5 or 6 people, if not more, that ask me if it's okay to use your existing account. Why not? If not, and if so, how do I proceed, kind of a situation. So that's why I addressed that. So thanks for hopping on, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please ensure that you subscribe. Also, if you want to learn, like one-on-one, hands-on about Instagram, please go ahead, join my affiliate that I'm with, because they have training on Instagram, they have training on Facebook, they have training on YouTube. Guys, they cover a lot of social media platforms where you can actually make money. My affiliate link will be in the description. Check it out. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But what are you losing by just checking it out and see what it is about? My Instagram link will also be in the description if you'd like to have a better understanding. If you're more of a visual person, you could take a look at my Instagram account and see what I post and how I post it. If you want to join me on Facebook to get the party on, the link will also be in the description. Guys, the time is now. You don't want to be wasting any more time, as in, just rustling around how you can earn an extra income, or if you're tired of your job and you're looking to do something full-time. You don't want to be rustling around, guys. Don't just watch this video and be like, boop, and be off. No. Do better for you. Do better for you. Not for me, not for that next person. Do better for you. It's a great opportunity to learn and to earn. So you're winning on both ends of the stick, if you understand what I'm saying. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'm gonna jump off now. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Send this video to a friend and have that friend subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Shoot me a Facebook friend request, and let's have a party. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye.